Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chantal and you're very much welcome. Okay, so to my old subscribers, hey, I hope everyone is doing great. I hope you're having a fantastic week. I know it's Wednesday and it's not a fun day, but it's in the middle of the week, so hold on tight. Friday is coming pretty soon, okay? So yeah, today I'm going to talk about a subject that I think all of us, it has crossed each and every one's mind, okay? Especially those that put on makeup. It's about how to avoid caking makeups, okay? I'm not talking about foundation like the product itself. No, I'm talking about how you prep your face beforehand, okay? So what used to work in our 30s, in our 20s, as I keep saying, will not work now. Everything has changed. Everything. Our face, they have become drier. We are developing wrinkles, fine lines, a lot of it, and things have changed. Okay, the face has changed, so you cannot just get up and try to use the same process that you did when you were in your 20s, in your early 30s, in your 40s. It will not work, guys. It can't work. You will have the worst makeup ever. So today I am going to give you 5 different makeup mistakes and how you can fix them, okay, so that you can have a flawless face. Mistake number 1, failing to prep your skin. See, as we age, our skins get drier, our skin get tougher, okay? Fine lines, wrinkles, all these things. You have to prep your skin. So you have to go through 3 steps, 3 very important steps when it comes to prepping your skin for your skin for your makeup. Okay, the first one is to hydrate. How do you hydrate? I'm not talking about drinking water, of course, but you have to drink water. You have to drink water, but I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about using a good moisturizer, a good hydrating moisturizer on your face. That's what I'm talking about. After washing your face, you use a good moisturizer on your face, and then you let it sit for like 1 minute. And then after that, you use your primer. Look for a good blurring primer, okay? Or you can use MAC. I have 2 different primers. I'm going to show you guys one of these days when I'm going to make a makeup tutorial. I'm going to show you guys. So I use those primers. I mix both. I like them like that on my face. Okay, that is the second one. The third one, and you have to wait. You have to wait. Always after each step, you give like a minute for your face to absorb it, for your face to get used to what is on it, okay? For it to settle into your face, and do its work. This is so that it will prevent patchiness. It will prevent piling. You understand? You know, you see sometimes when you make up, seems as if it's piled on your face. Yes, it will prevent that. Okay. Mistake number 2, using matte or full coverage foundations. See, when we were in our 20s, in our 30s, early 30s, we used to use full coverage, matte, especially matte, because our skin was good then, okay? But now, in our 40s, if you go for matte, it will just look blotchy. It will just look off. It will emphasize your pores. It will emphasize the texture of your skin. It will emphasize your fine lines because it just goes and settles in there. It will emphasize your fine lines, your wrinkles. No. Don't go for that. Don't go for matte. And don't go for full coverage. To get a very good foundation, what do? Instead of using matte, go for something that is oil-based. Go for dewy foundations. Go for light to medium base foundations. Go for hydrating foundations that have serums inside. Go for those, but please avoid matte. And use CC moisturizer, CC creams, tinted moisturizers. If you don't like the feeling of foundation on your face, you can go for tinted moisturizers. And please, to apply it, this is also something that kills us. I will see some ladies, they'll just take direct foundation and just dab it on their face. Sorry, but that is wrong. You don't do that. You either use a brush or a damp what they call it, a damp sponge. You wet the sponge a little to be damp, and then you use it now to put your foundation. It's going to be as if it's your skin that is shining through. Mistake number 3 is applying concealer under the eye. See, not that it's wrong to apply concealer under the eye. Apply your concealer, but please don't go and pack it there, and then it looks as if it's and then not only do you pack, you make a triangle. Hey, no, you look, that's not how it's done. Second, everything that you were trying to hide under your eye will be so pronounced, will be so there. Everybody's going to see. It will look so, because the concealer is going to enter in all the crease in your eyes, and your makeup is just going to look so cakey. Okay, so avoid that. So how do we fix this? 2 steps. 1, use color correct. Okay, correct the color correct is going to neutralize maybe your black, the black undertone, the black eye that you're trying to hide, or maybe you do not sleep very well. You have this black circle under your eye. You can use, I think, peach. It's going to blend it. You blend peach under your eye to hide the dark undertone. And then the second step is, instead of putting the concealer directly under your eyes, you put it at the corner of your eyes and at the inner corner of your eyes and at the outer corner of your eyes. And then you blend it out, avoiding all the lines in the middle and all that. That will make your makeup look flawless. Okay, and then while you're at it, pull up the concealer so that it can give you a lift on the eye. Lift. Mistake number 4. Okay, using the wrong foundation. That is so rampant. I've seen people with so light foundation on the face, and then the neck is so dark. No, always try to match your foundation to your neck. See, this is a secret. Whenever you go to buy your foundation, don't match it to your face. Your face is always a little bit clearer than your neck. Your face is always a little bit redder than your neck. So if you match it on your neck and you see that there's a contrast, look for something that is going to, you bring it closer to your face, only closer to your face until you get the perfect color. Okay? And then another tip, whenever you swap it on your neck, but most women in their 40s, our face is already, because we use products on the face, we clean the face regularly, all of that, the face is automatically brighter than the skin. Okay, so what I'll advise you to do is you would take a little bit, you will go where you buy your makeup and swap 3 different concealers or foundations on your neck and go outside. Look for the one that disappears. The one that disappears most on your neck is the one that is perfect for your face. And I've seen some women that make up and they will make up and then the makeup will end around here. So what about this? The neck. Are you wearing a turtleneck? Okay, if you're wearing a turtleneck, I can understand if you don't make up here, if you don't put any foundation or powder or whatever, compressed powder and or whatever you use, I will understand. But if you are making up and you're going to wear something that exposes your neck, please bring down the makeup to your neck. Okay, bring down the makeup to your neck, at least match it. Now let's go to the 5th and last mistake, over powdering. Hey, you will see some women, they will, after all that foundation, all of that, they will take powder as if they have a problem with powder. Pa, 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 pa. And they will look so cakey. They will look so dry. That is wrong. That is such a bad way to use powder. Powder is supposed to be used strategically. Okay, you're supposed to use it maybe on places like your T-zone. That means here, nose, here, T-zone. You can use it there. You can even if you feel that you are someone that is always getting very oily, you can take a little bit of powder, just blot it just lightly on your face. And then when you do that, please finish with a setting spray, and not a matte setting spray. No matte. No. Please go for setting spray, mineralized setting sprays, hydrating setting sprays. I have one from MAC and I have one from Maybelline too. Yes. Reason why, not even the reason, you must use a setting spray because one, a setting spray is going to make the foundation, the powder that you've put on top, set into the foundation, so they will become one. So that cakey look will disappear. Okay, and then secondly, it gives you a glow, especially if you go for hydrating setting sprays, not the matte ones. No, please avoid matte. Avoid matte in your, yeah, you can use matte lipstick if you feel like it, but not on your face, please. So that's it, guys. These are my 5 powerful little secrets that I have been using in my 40s to have this glowing skin. Yes, so if you want to have that perfect foundation and concealer base, please follow these steps, and I bet you, I promise you, you will see a big change in your makeup routine. So guys, which of these flaws or mistakes are you going to fix first? Comment down below. Okay guys, I love you. I have to go now. See you next week. No, see you on Saturday for fashion. Bye-bye. I love you. And please, 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 don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And even turn on your notification bell. Okay, so that you can be notified when next I have something new. Okay, guys. Bye bye. Love you. See you on Saturday. Bye bye.